but a strange problem I've never seen before. This gasket under here was worn and torn in there. So I'm gonna try and get in there, take this door panel off, and I've got a replacement one. Now this is the replacement Honda piece. Genuine Honda, or OEM off of the Honda Parts website. And so that's gonna sit right in there. So with the two garnish pieces off on each corner, you can a little bit better see how that piece is going to sit in on there. I'm wondering if as is standard, you pop off this panel and take out these two screws, and then the door handle just can pop right out. And as everyone shows, you got to take this plastic piece off, which I'll need to put down the phone for, before you can actually unhook that and pull it out. So after popping that plastic piece off, this little metal bar can be pulled out pretty easily, and then you just have to undo these electronics here. As everyone knows, in order to take the door off, you do have to pop this little panel out. It's supposed to be hinged there, but mine is not. And then unscrew this before this door panel will come off. So actually there are clips all the way around the edge, all on the bottom, all around the side and up the side. So those all had to be popped out before that would come loose and lift off. So now that I've popped those all out, now it should just lift up and out. So we can see here that the little trim gasket piece that I'm putting on here attached to this indoor panel. Now I'm not going to try and disconnect all of the controls for the window, etc., and the mirrors. I don't need to. It's clear that this piece just pops right on to this. I'll do that and then reattach it. Okay, so these little holes that the clips fit into. And so rather than unhook the electronics, etc., my lovely wife is holding it up for me so I could pull this out, where I had to get under back behind here and re-straighten these crimps. And now I'm going to place the new one in place and crimp them. So each of the little metal tabs fits into one of these holes, and then you crimp it into place, and Bob's your uncle. Okay, so now I finally have the door panel on, and I found that I needed to start here in this corner and work my way along, and then just make sure that the locking mechanism lines up here. First time I put it on, I forgot to pull this through, so it was dangling down, and I realized, oh wait a minute, if I'm going to put the unlocking mechanism back on and want it to work, I'm going to need this cable, so don't forget that. Now I'm going to see if all of the clips that I put in will just pop into place without any fuss. I did clean it up with Armor All wipes while I had it off. You can reach places you can't reach when it's on, when you've got it off and dangling. So now all I have to do is reverse my steps of unhooking everything, and it's all good. I've got a good seal on the window. That's it. The seal is fixed.